Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gear Up with Shikha. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine. Mother's Day is approaching and I thought of making a key holder for my mother which I want to share with you all. So let's get started. This is a key ring holder made out of Shilpkar clay or molded. It can be used as a wall decor also. I have made this as a thing to hold the keys. The things which we need are Shilpkar clay 2 packets. I open the packets and I'm going to mix the clay until it turns white. I'm mixing the clay. Thought of taking some leaves. I have to choose leaves with deep veins so that the imprint on the clay would be much better. Now rolling the clay with the help of a rolling pin and taking a leaf, pressing down on the clay to make the imprint. I have to press properly. And now I will cut out the extra clay. I enjoy doing this project. I hope you will enjoy doing this too. It's very easy and good for summer projects done at home. When I lifted the leaf, the imprint was dark on the clay. Use some powder to pick it up easily and then bend it so that it looks like an original leaf when dried. The rest of the clay, I'm making some flowers out of it. With the help of any bottle cap, the center of the flower is being made. Dotting it with the help of a pointed knife and then cutting out the petals of the flower. Marking some strokes on the petals to look like original. And mind you, you have to make the holes with which I will insert the screw. It's time to color, and here I am starting to color the leaves. I have used acrylic colors. I'm painting half of the leaf with a green color. I have painted some of the leaves wholly green also. And the flower with yellow color. The center is done with black and golden dots above it. The rest of the leaf is done with golden color. I have made few leaves and 2 flowers. Here I am finishing the flower. Now this is a embroidery loop and I'm taking the outer side of it and I have joined the holder. Now I have to fix the flower so that attachment doesn't show. And now I will cover the rim with the flowers and the leaves. Marking the holes for fixing the screws with which I will hang the keys. This is a small portion. I am putting adhesive on it and arranging some small dots. These are all for arrangements. Now I am fixing the screw. It is done very easily. Put some strong adhesive on the rim and arrange the petals. You can color the petals of your own choice. Just you have to keep in mind that you have to place all the leaves so that the rims should be covered fully.